Welcome to the NANLINK 2.0 lighting control. In today's and the next video, we will introduce the lighting modes of the app. Today, we will show you the CCT mode and other 4 color modes. Tap the fixture in the fixture list to enter the corresponding lighting modes interface. Tap the Mode tab in the top left corner to expand the mode list. The list will show all the lighting modes of the current fixture. The available lighting modes, adjustable parameter options, and ranges will be determined by the fixture itself. Enter the first mode, CCT mode. When the connected fixture is only 5600 Kelvin, this mode will be displayed as daylight and only brightness adjustment available. When a bicolor or full color fixture is connected, this mode provides brightness and CCT adjustment. Some bicolor fixtures also support switching between max output and constant output. If the fixture supports GM adjustment, this mode will additionally provide GM option. Each parameter can be adjusted by 3 methods: swiping on the slider, tapping the plus/minus icon, or inputting the value. The slider allows for quick adjustment, while the plus/minus icons on both ends enable precise adjustment. Tap the numeric box. You can input a value to directly get the desired effect. The tab bar also provides undo and redo functions. Tap Undo to return to the previous step, and tap Redo to cancel that operation. Tap the On/Off button next to the brightness to turn on/off the lights gradually. The time box on the right allows you to set the fade on/off duration. The range of input values is from 0 to 10. The HSI mode allows you to choose color on the color wheel, set the brightness, hue, and saturation value, or pick a color by the camera icon. In the color wheel interface, you can tap the color wheel or choose from the color preset, and the fixture will output the corresponding color. The selected color will appear in the preview area simultaneously. Tap the plus icon on the right and then tap the color preset to replace it with the currently selected color, making it convenient for use at any time. In the HSI interface, you can adjust the color through the hue and saturation sliders or the plus/minus icons. Or you can directly input hue and saturation values to obtain the desired color. The operations on the color preset are the same as in the color wheel interface. Tap the camera icon. You can pick the target color using the camera function and apply it to the fixture. In the RGBW mode, you can choose color from the color palette or set the RGBW values. In the color palette interface, tap the color palette to synchronize the selected color to the fixture. Swipe horizontally on the color palette to adjust hue and swipe vertically to adjust saturation. Enter the RGBW color value interface. You can adjust the values of R, G, B, and W to blend a color. The adjustment methods also include swiping on the slider, tap the plus/minus icons, or inputting the value. In the XY mode, the CIE 1931 color gamut and XY axis are provided for color selection. Tap the triangular area on the color gamut. The fixture will output the selected color. Or you can set the value on the X and Y axis to choose a color. The selected color and its coordinate values will also appear in the preview area in the top right corner. Below, you can choose to show or hide the color temperature curve. In the gel mode, gel selection and base CCT are provided. The NANLINK app provides 151 gels for choice. You can tap the gel preview area to access the gel list and select the gel based on the pictures, names, or gel numbers. You can also use the search box to input names and find the desired gels. These are all the operations for CCT and color adjustment. If you have any questions or suggestions, please feel free to leave a comment below or contact us through the feedback column on the app homepage. Thanks for your support.